Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with our latest card kit, and this one's called Rainbow is My Favorite Color. This kit is full of everything rainbow. I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 stamp set. It has a few configurations that you can use to create rainbows. There's a straight line, also a larger 4-piece rainbow set you can use on slimline cards, and also a smaller set. There's clouds and also some really great messages that are mixed with a bold print and fine print. Since the rainbows are in sets of 4, we're also including a 4-pack of the Simon Says Stamp hybrid ink cubes, which are perfect for stamping and also stenciling. If you'd like to do stenciling, we're also including a pack of the Ranger mini domed inked blending foams that can be used with your round blending tools. We also have an exclusive Simon Says Stamp design for this rainbow. It has some etched lines in the centers. I'll show you on this foil piece where you can see once you've die cut it, it leaves those lines in the center. We're also including the Build a Rainbow stencil from Simon Says Stamp, and it has your rainbow pieces, also clouds, a cloud line at the top, and pieces to build a sun. You can use these with the blending tools and the ink that's provided in the kit. The papers for this kit are a custom pack from Doodlebug, so we have some words in a rainbow pattern with lavender on the back, a rainbow plaid, and on the back that has small blue polka dots, a flower pattern and a green plaid, a bold rainbow with little white flowers on a dark pink background, a diagonal plaid in fine lines with a pink gingham on the back, a small dots pattern that goes diagonally with a purple dot pattern on the back. We have a diagonal plaid with the blue tone-on-tone with small clouds. I'll try to get this close so you can see those tiny clouds. And then we have a bright green, and this has small grass patterns with a rainbow pattern separated by white lines on the other side. There's also a rainbow grid with a cute pattern of suns on the back. It's a pale yellow with sweet little suns. There's also a sheet with rainbow hearts, and on the back side is a melon and orange polka dot. There's also a bright pink tone-on-tone with small flowers. And on the other side is rainbows and clouds. And then finally there is a red heart pattern with bold polka dots. That is 12 double-sided sheets 6x6. We've also included a yellow puffball that you can use with the stencil to create a sun and put that in the center. Also in the kit is a package of Doodlebug Chasing Rainbows shaped sprinkles, which are raised enamel stickers. And to add some shimmer to your cards, we have the Memory Box Fairy Jewels. There are 30 of each of the 10 colors, and those are self-adhesive. You'll also receive a Simon Says Stamp Holographic A2 envelope, and that does have a Lick It to Stick It. For the cardstocks, we have something very special and brand new. It's a Simon Says Stamp Rainbow Cardstock. It has that rainbow image running ombre throughout the entire 8.5 by 11 sheet. You'll also receive one sheet of the Nina Solar White 110-pound cardstock. That concludes the walkthrough reveal, and up next I have some inspiration from our amazing designers. I'll start you off with Nina Trapani's card, where she used that cloud stencil and created a rainbow background, and she also stenciled a sun, added some glitter, and the pom-pom in the center. I created a mini card using the cloud stamp and message and then stenciled a rainbow. I cut it out and added a second piece hand cut back with a score line to fold. Kelly Person used the stamp set to create her small rainbow and put her message just underneath along with some gemstones. Cindy Norberg used the larger rainbow stamps and created her rainbow coming off from the upper side and added some of those colorful fairy jewels to each color. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our Rainbow is My Favorite Color card kit. Be sure to visit our blog and galleries for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.